Predictive maintenance is becoming the standard in the trucking industry. Utilizing data-driven techniques will keep your fleet on the road longer, resulting in a reduction in expensive reactive maintenance, decreased downtime, and improved logistic processes. Uptake Fleet is the analytics platform that makes predictive maintenance more comprehensive and maximizes vehicle uptime. Supercharge your maintenance analytics by optimizing maintenance spend, only replacing parts when necessary, identifying high-cost components, and troubleshooting issues, all in one streamlined location. Revolutionize the decisions you make with game-changing access to data you've already collected alongside sensor analytics. Maximize your fleet's uptime by proactively identifying potential issues and reducing roadside breakdowns up to 20%. Slash your inventory holding costs by anticipating your fleet's parts needs and streamlining your maintenance operations. Your fleet competes with extended service life. Increase the availability of your fleet and improve your bottom line. Unleash the full power of your data by improving vehicle uptime, shop performance, and driver retention. Predictive maintenance just got more comprehensive with Uptake Fleet.